Number 5, Miss Chola atake sa number 5, 2 points. Number 8, Sega atake, bumali pa sa number 8, Nobigana, number 3, 2 points. By number back to number 7 on fires again.
Oh, ang galing.
Matsudak again. No good to number 7, si Miss Chola. No good. Second shot block by Seda. Seda pukul ng press. No good. Laro ni number 3, no good. Back to number 8, 2 points. Seda again. Pass to number 3, Navan 0, 15, second shot block pero may foul. Ito si Seda at sa inot by number 8, foul. Foul. Pass ng first throw, second shot. Number 21, no good. Foul. Second team foul. But a shot by Seda, ready to Jabus. Second, Seda, para naman sa number 8, pero may foul. Basa ng first throw, second shot, ready. Number 16. Matsulak, susunod ng press. No good. Pass to number 2. Back to number 12. Number 12, no good. With number 22, San Juan. Pass to number 10 second shot block by San Juan, no good. With number 2. Pass to number 12. Number 12, back shot, no good yan. Now, number 13. Number 13, no good again. Remember number 7. And the last number 33. Back to number 16. 15 second shot up by Cervelas. Cervelas on bars. No good. Rebound number 7. Number 15. Number 13. Arbaus. Sumit sa anong bola. No good. Rebound number 4. Now number 15 second shot up by Cervelas. Binigay sa ilalim. No good, remember, 1 minute remaining time. Number 10. No good, remember number 15. Last 55 seconds, number 21. Pinanayan atake si number 10 to bench by number 10. Si number 2, Cervelas. Cervelas, nice pass to number 4. Pass. Last 10 seconds. Number 13, no good. Last 5 seconds.